Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the FYC folding treadmill, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for home workouts. The multifunctional LCD display keeps you on track with your time, speed, distance, heart rate, and calories burnt, ensuring a scientifically efficient workout. One standout feature is the cup holder and safety key. Stay hydrated with the 2 water bottle cages conveniently placed on the console. Plus, the safety key adds an extra layer of protection by instantly shutting down the treadmill in emergencies. Speaking of safety, the built-in heart rate sensors on the handrails make monitoring your heart rate a breeze, ensuring a safe and customized exercise experience. With multiple preset exercise modes, you can tailor your workout to your liking. The FYC treadmill runs quietly and smoothly, thanks to its low 1.5 HP motor, making it perfect for a home environment. The 5-layer shock-absorbing running belt provides a safe cushion for your knees and muscles during your run, jog, or walk. What's impressive is the foldable design and transportation wheels, making it easy to move and store in any corner of your home. The compact footprint and alloy steel construction contribute to its sturdiness, supporting up to 220 pounds. In conclusion, the FYC folding treadmill is a fantastic addition to any home gym. It's portable, foldable, and packed with features for a convenient and effective workout. If you're in the market for a reliable treadmill, this one should be on your list. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.